Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step tutorial on a basic makeup look for Winnie and Sarah Sanderson. You can also, like me, choose to do the costumes in a body paint instead. To start with Winifred Sanderson, you will need a white base makeup, a pink blusher, red lipstick and a bronzer. Start with a white base makeup all over, including over the eyebrows, and use a bronzer to cover the eyelids, mark out the nose shape, the smile lines and the cheeks. Onto the cheeks, add a pink blusher and add some mascara and eyelashes if you want to. I also started to make the outline of my costume shape with an eyeliner or pencil. Add a bright red lip and ensure you emphasise the well-known shape of Winifred Sanderson. You can also add your body paint now. Add some shading and voila! Add a red wig and there you have it, a Winifred. I also made some paper teeth that I stuck on here. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now on to Sarah Sanderson. Again, like Winnie, I added body paint instead of a costume. Add a deep smoky eye using purple and blacks onto a white base makeup. Using a bronzer, chisel out the cheekbones and add any shading to the shape of the face. Use a white powder under the eye to give her a really pale look, and using a black, carve out and darken her eyebrows. I made mine quite thin and pointy. Add a red lip and don't forget the mole on her chin. Add any body paint or costume, wigs now, and whew, magic. Sarah Sanderson. Again, let me know what you think in the comments below and if any of you will be recreating any of these looks. Thanks for watching. Bye.